How to fix Facebook not linking on your TikTok profile. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. From here, go to search. Now go to search bar and then search for TikTok. Tap on the application on top. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it to update TikTok application to its latest version so that all the app issues and bug errors will be fixed and you will also be getting newest features on the application. Now for the next step, you can go ahead and tap on uninstall and then reinstall TikTok application again. Now in another step, what you can do is go to settings. From here, scroll down below and go to apps. From here, you can directly search for TikTok. Tap on the application. From here, scroll down below and go to storage. Now from here at the bottom right, go ahead and tap on clear cache. Now one thing you have to note down is that in certain regions, there's no feature which would allow you to directly add Facebook or Instagram or any other social media profile links. So if that feature is not available, what you can do is go ahead and open TikTok. Now once you come here, go to profile. Then on your profile, tap on edit. Now tap on bio and you can paste the Facebook link of your profile you had copied. Then go ahead and tap on save. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.